This hair is cute, right? Right. So I'm going to show you how I did this quick crown braided look that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Mine's is messy, but you could do it neater. Style, you're my truth. Okay, you guys, so I lost the footage of me unboxing this wig, but this is the wig straight out the pack, okay? This is 26 inches. It's HD lace. It's 250% density. She's thick in a full frontal, okay? This comes pre-plucked. They give you a little bit of extra lace, and the hairline is plucked. You do not have to do any of that. Now, I am going to tell you, you need to wash your wigs, okay? Wash it when you get it, all right? So, this is me after me washing the wig. I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I got my wig in a size large because my head is big. I am a size 22.5. That is like on the larger size of a medium large size, so I like to get large caps, so it won't be too tight and I can have a little bit of wiggle room. So I'm tinting the lace back, and I'm using my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm just going to use some adhesive spray to lay down my wig. Now you can use any adhesive spray. I'm not going to tell you the brand on this one because thou shall not be named. But what I like to do is I like to spray in one area, blow dry it till it gets tacky, lay the lace down, and blow dry it till it's fully dry. And I'm going to do that for the entire hairline. So let me continue to talk about this wig. It does come with an elastic band, adjustable straps, and combs, okay? So you can wear this glueless if you like, but for me, I do like to use some type of spray to lay my lace down. I'm not really into the actual white or silicone or acrylic glues right now, so I like to use sprays. It's a little bit messy, but if you know how to work it, you know how to work it. So once I have the wig down, I like to go in with only this amount of glue. Like if I'm going somewhere, which I did, I'm going to put a little bit of bow hold active on the edge of my wigs, okay? I only do that because I don't like my wig saying hello. So I don't want my wig flapping in the air, and sometimes I get that when it comes to adhesive sprays, like it doesn't hold down the edges really good for me. So then when I do it that way, this is the outcome. She looks smooth and wonderful, okay? So I decided, because this is curly hair and she is thick, I do want some baby hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull some baby hairs out. I'm going to cut them with my razor, and then I am going to curl them with my mini flat irons. On the beat. So now that baby hairs are done, I am going to take my hair down. I was going to leave it like this, but I just was like, okay, let me just do a couple of different styles for you guys. So I am going to take my wax stick and my pressing comb and just make sure that the top of my hair is flat and neat as possible, okay? Oh, I don't like doing ball cap methods either. Like, that's a very random thing if I do that, because I'm suffering from postpartum shedding a little bit, so I don't want to put too much tension on my edges, and I feel like ball caps does that for me. But look at it. Don't this hair look so cute just in its natural state? And mind you, this is no product. This is just what it looks like when it's just completely air dried with no product. So this is me just taking some hair out in the front, not a lot of hair, and I'm just gonna braid it down, and then I'm gonna just distress the braid, like pull it apart so it could be a little fluffy. Now, this is trending all over social media and TikTok especially, but you know, mine is a little bit messy. I really don't care for neat hair. I like my hair to look a little distressed, if you feel me. So, you can do this style super neat, but I like how mine's looked. Next time I want to do a bigger piece and then wrap it around my head so it could actually look like a bigger crown. But the same thing I do for that side, I'm gonna do for the other side. And to hold the braid in place, I did use rubber bands, and I did use bobby pins to pin it to my head. So because this is 26 inches curly, it's 26 inches stretched. Okay, so because this is curly hair is shorter, so it might not look like I'm showing the true length, but I'm really am. Like it stops like bra strap length for me when it comes to its curly texture. Like it's literally stopping right there, and the only reason why you can't see it is because I'm panned closer to the camera. But other than that, um if you want a longer look, I would definitely order a longer length, like a 30-inch, if you want it to be longer visually. But this is a lot of hair, 250% density. This is a lot of hair. So I rather take the thickness over the length, okay? Because the thickness is going to give every single time. But don't she look cute? Like she looks like I'm going to like Coachella or a little concert or something cute, like a little picnic. So I decided to take that out, and I'm gonna show you that. I decided to put my hair in a half up, half down, only because I was going somewhere and I didn't want the hair in my face. So this was super easy. I took some Got to Be gel, and then I just put a little bit on the front of it, and I'm just flicking it back. And then I'm just gonna take my little scrunchie and put that on the ponytail portion just so it can stay in place. And I'm gonna take a little bit of hair and wrap it around the ponytail so it can look all put together. Okay, I love having full frontals, and I love Asteria hair anyway, because Asteria hair, um, like I always get good quality hair from them. I never had any problems. Like I said, this hair did not shed whatsoever, and especially it being curly hair. Oh, for the mousse, I am using Cantu Curl Wave Whip. That's my favorite product to use. Spray your hair a little bit and then apply the mousse so your hair won't be crunchy. But this is like this hair texture is definitely giving. I wonder if you could color it. I don't know. Would you guys like to see me try to do that? Like, let me know down below. But yeah, I thought it was cute in this. This is definitely giving very cute. If you guys are interested in this wig, I'll have everything listed down below in the description box for you. And everything that I use in this video will be down there also. And until next time, bye, best friends, and thank you, Asteria, for sponsoring this video.